Hello students, how are you all children today? I hope you all are good at your home. Dear student, once again I am here, your teacher, to make you learn. Yes, EVS. What is EVS? Environmental Studies. Very good. So children, let's continue learning of term 2 portion. Yes, lesson number 1. Yes children, part D. Okay, and today we are going to learn about two different things, that is water animal and about birds. Okay, are you ready to learn? Yes, what is the meaning of water? Jal. In Hindi, water means, yes children, pani. In Hindi, say children, what is the meaning of water? Jal, pani. And animals means janwar. So what is the meaning of water animal? Water animal means the animals live in water is called water animal. Yes, repeat it children. Animals lives in water is called water animal. जो जानवर कहाँ रहते हैं? पानी के अंदर, उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Yes children, water animal. And name some water animal students. Now take out your book, term 2 book, and now see here. Yes, fish, dolphin. Now you also repeat children. Fish, dolphin, shark, whale, octopus, prawn, turtle. Now repeat once again students. These all are water animals, and some animals live in water their whole life. Their whole life they lives in water only. Okay, and name some water animal. Fish, dolphin, yes, shark, whale, octopus, prawn and turtle. Okay, do you understand about water animal? Yes, now let's see further about amphibians. Now see here children, say the word amphibians. What is the meaning of amphibians? Some animals live in water and land also. Okay, कुछ जानवर ऐसे होते हैं, जल के जानवर, जो पानी में भी रहते हैं और सूखी ज़मीन पे भी रहते हैं. ऐसे एनिमल्स को बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में एम्फीबियंस. से चिल्ड्रेन, नाउ सम एनिमल्स कैन लिव बोथ इन लैंड एंड इन वाटर. दिस टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स इज कॉल्ड amphibians. And name some amphibians. Yes children, like tortoise, yes, and yes, frog, and this one is crocodile. So children, do you understand the difference between water animal and amphibians? Water animals live only in water and amphibians live both on water and on land. Okay children, now say some question answers with me. Okay, first question of activity page, the book is name two water animal. Say children, name two water animal. Just now we had learned. Yes, fish, and the spelling of fish is F-I-S-H, fish. Say with me, F-I-S-H, fish. And another one, you can say any water animal. Yes, whale. Very good. And the spelling of whale is W-H-A-L-E, whale. Now say name two water animals. Fish, whale. Very good. And the spelling is F-I-S-H, fish, W-H-A-L-E, whale. Very good. And the next question is name two amphibians. Just now we had learned students, name two amphibians. So the answer is tortoise. Very good. And the spelling of tortoise is T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. Say T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, tortoise. And the next one is crocodile. Very good. Say children, crocodile. Or you can also learn the spelling of frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Very good. So children, Now let's learn the next chapter. Okay. So my dear students, let's learn the next part of our today's class, that is about birds. Yes, have you seen birds? Yes, in Hindi we can say it is पक्षी. Okay, चिड़िया जो उड़ सकते हैं. Have you seen? क्या आपने देखा है? Very good. Now today we are going to learn about some common birds. Okay, and about them also. So children, these are the only animals which have feathers. यही एक ऐसे जानवर हैं जो जिनके पास क्या होता है? पर होता है, पंख होता है. और ये पर और अपने पंखों से क्या करते हैं? उड़ते हैं. उड़कर क्या करते हैं? एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हैं. वेरी गुड. सो लेट्स लर्न अबाउट देम. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, नाउ द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दे हैव विंग्स टू फ्लाई. सो चिल्ड्रेन से विथ मी, दे हैव विंग्स टू फ्लाई. उनके पास क्या होती है? पंख होती है, पर होती है, जिससे वो क्या कर सकते हैं? उड़ सकते हैं. वेरी गुड. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज दे हैव बीक टू ईट. ओके, उनके पास चोंच होती है. चोंच को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? बीक. से चिल्ड्रेन, और बीक से वो क्या करते हैं? दे ईट. से चिल्ड्रेन, दे ईट विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर बीक. से बीक. नाउ द थर्ड थिंग इज दे हैव 2 legs to walk. Yes, how many legs we have? We have 2 legs. Okay, and the birds are also having 2 legs to walk from one place to another, and they lay eggs. The next feature is they lay eggs. Now do you like to eat eggs? Now some birds can lay eggs. Okay children, what we had learned about the birds? They have wings to fly, they have beak to eat. Okay, they lay eggs. Yes, they lay eggs, and they have 2 legs. How many legs? 2 legs to walk. Okay, now let's learn some of the names of common birds. Now see your book, page number 52. Okay children, the first bird is crow. Now see the picture of crow. Crow is very clever bird. The crow is very clever bird. Okay, and the next picture is peacock. Very good. And peacock is our national bird. Which is our national bird children? Peacock. Very good. Peacock is our national bird. And the next one is hen. Yes, the hen lays eggs. Say children, which bird lays eggs? The hen lays eggs. Yes, the next one is the duck can swim in water. Now which bird can swim in water? Yes, पानी में कौन सा bird तैर सकता है? Yes, the name is duck. Very good. Duck can swim in water. Now which bird can mimic like human being? ऐसा कौन सा बर्ड है जो हमारी तरह बातें कर सकता है, जो हमारी तरह नकल कर सकता है बोलने पे? यस, ग्रीन बर्ड. यस, पैरट. वेरी गुड. नाउ द पैरट इज अ पेट बर्ड ऑल्सो. इट मिमिक आवर वॉइस. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज द ईगल. यस, विच बर्ड फ्लाइज हाई? द ईगल फ्लाइज very high and very fast. Okay children, do you understand about these common birds? Crow is very clever, peacock is our national bird. Okay, and hen lays eggs, duck can swim in water, parrot can mimic our voice. Okay, and eagle flies very high and very fast. Now let's learn further about some of the common birds that cannot fly. They are birds but they cannot fly. ऐसे भी birds हैं जो birds तो हैं but उड़ नहीं सकते. Okay, now let's learn about them. The first one is ostrich. Yes, the first one is ostrich. Ostrich is the bird that cannot fly. And the next one is penguin and kiwi. Okay, children? Name some birds that cannot fly. Ostrich, penguin, kiwi. Very good. And birds build their nest. Now, as we built our house to live in, so birds have no one to build their home. So they build their nest by their own. Okay? Understood, children? Birds अपना घोंसला स्वयं बनाते हैं, खुद से बनाते हैं. Okay? So children, birds have wings to fly, birds have beaks to eat, and birds have 2 legs to walk, and birds lay eggs. Okay? Do you understand? Now, which is our national bird? Peacock. Very good. And name 2 birds that cannot fly. Yes, children? Ostrich, penguin, and also kiwi. Very good. So, dear students, now let's do some activity. And the next question is, dash is a pet bird. Yes, children, now choose the correct picture. Dash is a pet bird. Yes, just now we had learned about these birds. Which is a pet bird? Penguin or parrot? Yes, parrot. So you have to tick on the picture of parrot. Now let's see the next question. Students, now the question is, you have to write W if the animal is water animal, and if the picture is amphibian, then you have to write there A. So the first picture is frog. Yes, frog is a, yes children, frog is a amphibian. Very good. So you have to write here in the box A. Okay, you have to write in the box A. A means amphibian. Frog is a amphibian. Now let's see the next one. So dear students, now let's write the question answers given in our activity page. Okay, and the first question is, name 2 water animal. So what is the answer? Name 2 water animal. Fish, whale. So start writing with me spelling of fish. Okay, so spelling of fish, write like this. Cursive capital F. Write slowly, students. Okay, now join this F and I. F-I-S-H. Fish. Okay, what is the spelling of fish? F-I-S-H. Now from today onwards you have to start writing in cursive letters. Okay, so start writing, children. F-I-S-H. Fish. Now say 3 times. F-I-S-H. Fish. Fish is a water animal. F-I-S-H. Fish. And the next one is, write at the corner whale. Very good. Write capital W H A L E. Whale. So children, spelling of whale, W H A L E. Whale. Say children, W H A L E. Whale. Now say with me, fish, whale. These are the 2 water animal. Okay, now let's learn the next question. Name 2 amphibians. Name 2 amphibians. Frog. And the spelling of frog, write in the next line. F R O. Right, children? G. F R O G. Frog. Say F R O G. Frog. Say once again, F R O G. Frog. Frog. And yes children, we can write spelling of tortoise. T O R. Write like this. T O R T O I S E. Tortoise. Write like this. T O R T O I S E. Tortoise. Now you write slowly in cursive letters in line properly. Okay. Say children, name 2 water animals. Fish, whale. Name 2 amphibians. Frog, tortoise. Okay. Now let's write about the birds. So the first question is, which is our national bird? Yes, what is the name of our national bird? Peacock. Very good. Peacock is our national bird. So children, you remember and learn the spelling of peacock. Say P-E-A. Now write. Just below this you write spelling. Okay. P, capital P, capital cursive P. Now write like this. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Write like this. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Yes. National bird peacock. Spelling is P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock is our national bird. Very good. Now write it once again. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Okay. Peacock is our national bird. Okay students. Now the next question is, name 2 birds that cannot fly. Yes, name 2 birds that cannot fly. Penguin, kiwi. Okay, now start writing the spelling of penguin. In the next line, write capital P. Slowly write students. P-E-N. This spelling is very easy. Now write P-E-N, penguin. G-U-I-N, penguin. Write P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Say children, say with me. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Okay, and the next bird is kiwi. Write capital K-I-W-I, kiwi. Say children, K-I-W-I, kiwi. These are the 2 birds that cannot fly. Okay children, now repeat this as 1-page classwork and same do it as practice work on the next page. We are going to meet on the next day. Till then, learn these 2 chapters, names of water animal, names of amphibians and some common birds names also. Okay, we are going to meet on the next day. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.